8 hours later, we finally made it to the top of what? West Virginia. Spruce Knob, highest point in West Virginia. Something else we didn't realize that there wasn't gonna be is no service, except for top of Spruce Knob. Apparently there is. Permitted. The wind is crazy.
All right.
Oh shoot. Gotta admit, flying that drone was really nerve-wracking because if you can't tell, it's very windy out here. Look at that. Is that me? Is that me? Oh man.
Your next profile pic, you're welcome.
You're not going to believe this view. Oh, yeah. Excuse me.
It's alright.
Excuse me. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it.
Seneca Creek trailhead.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Oh. Don't.
I put my rain cover on.
We're heading in. Not really sure where, but we're going. We're just gonna find a place to.
We're here, Seneca Creek Trail.
Right there.
So we are here, and we're just gonna walk in.
Oh no! Yeah.
You don't.
It's just like, oh, there's a sequence. Got me? Yes, yeah. Going backpacking!
There's a llama back there, but I don't know if that's a trail. And it's too muddy right here.
We found something. Are you happy with this?
I am stoked.
You satisfied with this campsite right here?
Man. And it even has a table. And it's really sturdy.
You ready for dinner?
I'm ready. Santa Fe, black beans and rice. There we go. Stir thoroughly, then seal pouch and cover. Let stand for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, that's really. I think still hard.
This took us about, how long do you think?
15 minutes maybe?
It took us 15 minutes to get that up there. Doing this reminds me how nice it is to just be in nature. Hashtag get outside, REI.
It's opt outside.
And just like that.
And we're out.
We're out. I was sitting in my tent, I was journaling a little, I was thinking, you know, I feel at peace. I feel whole, I just feel good. I'm not worrying about tomorrow's tasks. I'm not worrying about today's car ride or anything. I'm just here. I'm in nature. I'm just being here. And that's a really good feeling. It's a really good feeling. You go right, I go left. Is he gonna make it? He did it. We made it! We got out alive. Woo! Time to go home. We were here for less than 24 hours. I personally feel like it was worth it. I loved it. It was a good experience. It was a different experience than I would have had just being at home watching Netflix.
It's true that.
Look at this.
Hey, can I have your microfiber cloth again?
Yeah, you can. Peter Buchanan.
Oh man.
Until next time.
That was fun, man.
That's good.
Yeah, man. See you later.